Hi guys, welcome back. I'm just putting all my stuff together for my show. I just opened up maybe four of these boxes, and here they are. Remember that 12 pieces I just opened up? It's these things right here. Look. Well, they're right there. They're small. There's 12 of them in there. And these two I'm gonna just keep savings and anything. There's Red Apple. Anyways, here they are, and then these are new for 2015 canister shells. They're from Red Apple as well, and here they are, all four, taped down so I won't forget. It's for a little finale set, you know. Here they are, and then there's the two boxes right here. So there's 1, 2, and 3 and 4 finale. Here's a whole box. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Excalibur shells, bullshit shells. And then I got some pro shells down there as well. Got some tubes, the small little tubes for those things over here. They're so small. Look at this. Compared to the other ones. Compared to these, where are they? I had two right here earlier. Oh, they're down there, guys. Sorry. Totally different. These are from the... Put these back. Look. Alright, so here's the festival balls. They're out of these. I took like 3 boxes of these in here so far, so that's how we do it. And then we have these small little canister shells. Look at these little things, guys. These came from the new 2015 Red Apple Festival balls, sorted, shit like that. So, alright, so here they are. This is from the artillery shells, those. And these are from the small little ones. Look at this. Holy cow, you see the difference? So much space, and then in this one just enough space so I can shoot up in the sky. New Red Apple. This is assorted glittering festival balls, guys. 5-star rating. Rated the best of 5 stars. Alright, so hopefully it's a good show tonight, you know? I hope so. Goes back in here. Just a little fast little video, just so you can guys see what I'm up to right now. The mortar shells for my mortars for these Excaliburs Pro shells, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in some Shells of Vengeance shells. Are gonna be in racks. Alright, and there's some pagoda shells right there, guys. My is turtle action figures. Here's some other ones, guys, I'm gonna be selling. There's the purple one. There's the purple one. 2 set of 4 artillery shells. There's the blue one. There's the green one, and the yellow one is in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and sell these. So let me know if you guys are interested. All right. And if you guys want to keep watching, go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these 2 more, so I can go ahead and complete my box. I also need Shells of Vengeance. I'm gonna go ahead and open that box as well. I'm gonna do an unboxing for 2015. And do you think I should add 1 more box of Pro Shells? Please comment below. And thanks for watching, and keep watching, okay? Alright, whatever. I can't do it. Trash. I got plenty of tubes if you guys want any. So just let me know, guys. From Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you. Another box. There was some it's a little black stuff right there. I don't know what that is. It's a bug or something. Anyway, there's some little pellets in there that came from the fireworks. Oh shoot. Hey guys, I have a defective one. Look at this. This one opened up, I guess. Look at this. It's spilling all over the place. Those little pellets. I think I'm gonna go ahead and duct tape this back so I can go ahead and fire it tomorrow night. Look at this. Opened up. I'm gonna keep this on the side so I can fix it later. Let's open up the rest. No wonder I thought there was something moving too much in there. That was perfectly fine. You don't want that in a bad shell. It sucks. Perfect shell. Cool. Make sure you always look at your shells, guys. Also, I just, I was gonna throw it in there, but I found out. Luckily, I found out because that could have been a bad show. That could have been a mortar, one of these pipes blown or something. Okay, that's cool. Alright, that's all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think I have any duct tape, but just regular tape I have. Where's my tape? Where's my tape? Where are you? I had tape around here somewhere. Tape. I left it right here. I don't know where it went, guys. Oh, there it is. There's my tape. Oops, shell fell. Almost done taping this back how it was. Alright, shit, I taped it back up, so I'm gonna put this aside, and I just don't trust this shell anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and just blow it up tonight, even if that means my motor tube blows up. What do you guys think? Should I blow it up in a couple days or what? There's a little gap. Please comment below. I just use some regular Scotch tape. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is Jay, and there's my little stash so far. If you guys ever fired this firework, I see some people have it. It's from Brothers. It's called Mobile Menace. It's pretty badass. It's 32 shots and it's 200-gram cake. I dig that one, man. It's badass. See, there's a couple of my boxes, assortments, and stuff. Sunshine State firecrackers, pearls, claw, red, white, and blue, salutes, Black Label, and this is pretty cool. Look, guys, get the party started. It's 200 shots and it's all colors at night and whistles, and you know it's badass. And I got these right here. Mighty X Max. So, if you guys ever shot these, just please comment below and tell me how these are. I really don't want to shoot them, and not right now though. I got a whole case of these, and if you guys think they're really awesome, please comment below and tell me how they are. Thank you guys. I'll put this inside so I'll blow this up later. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll be putting up more maybe later on today, just because I have nothing else to do, and I work till 6 p.m. and it's 3 o'clock right now. And thank you very much, guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. This is Jay. Bye-bye.